1.3 Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source fo- of our food. Which, which parts of a plant? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers. Figure 1.4. Have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Try it. Try it. These are the some parts of plants are given here. This is a flower, fruit, stem, leaf, node, internode, bud. Here flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud, primary root, secondary root, root system. Totally that is a shoot system. Okay. See here, some plants have two or more edible, eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil, and the leaves are used as vegetable. Can you think of different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Think of more examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. Some see here, food item with the plant as the major source. Ingredients source, the plant part which give us the ingredient. Here brinjal curry. For brinjal curry we need some ingredients. Brinjal, chili as spice, any other. Oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean, any other plant. Okay. For it is here, brinjal it is a fruit, chili as a piece, it is a fruit, brinjal it is a fruit, chili as a spice, it is fruit, oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean, any other plant, seed. Okay. Activity 4. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant parts as shown in table 1.4. Activity 5. Take some dry seeds of mung or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seeds? Here in figure given, uh, whole mung and its sprouts. Okay, 1. Figure 1.5 is there here. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. Figure 1.5 and 1.6. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water, and leave them aside for another day. Some chana gram and its sprouts you can be do in your home. covered with a wet cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. You can do in your home. Do you know where honey comes from? Do you know where honey comes from? Or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar, sweet juices from flowers, convert it into honey, and store it in their hive. Figure 1.7 given very good picture here. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat? Squirrel eating nuts in this figure. Okay. You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel figure 1.8 pigeon, lizard or a small insect may be eating as their food? Activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5. For some of them, the type of food they. Table 1.5 animals and their food. Name of the animal, food the animals the food the animal eats. Buffalo, grass, oil cake, high grains. Cat, small animals, birds, milk. Rat, lion is given, tiger is given, spider is given, house lizard is given, cow, human being, beings, butterfly, crow, others. You can do this activity. It is also given. Fill in the blanks in the table. Activity 7. Have have a look again at table 1.5 and group the animals entered here as follows. Place animals which eat only plants or plant products in group 1. These are called herbivores. Which animals eats only plant products? These are called herbivores. There are some animals which eat other animals. Place these in group 2. These animals are called carnivores. Carnivores means which that animals eat other animals. Any animals, any animal eat other animal is called carnivores. Do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? Place them in group 3. These are called omnivores. Which animal eats plant products and animal? These are called omnivores. Prepare a table as in table 1.6 and enter these separately. in three columns as shown in some activities there here: herbivores animals and carnivores omnivores. In herbivore example given cow, carnivores lion, omnivores dog. You can fill many more animals in this table. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us.